Safe, reliable, and durable, Whynter Energy Star portable dehumidifiers with pump protect your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. The internal condensate pump function makes them easiest to maintain. Our dehumidifiers with pump range from 50 to 95 pint moisture removal capacities. The high-capacity, stylish, and powerful Whynter RPD 711 DWP Elite D-Series Energy Star portable dehumidifier is the ultimate device for your dehumidifying needs. Capable of removing up to 70 pints of moisture from the air per day and featuring an internal condensate pump, you can trust it to operate at large volumes without interruption. The compact and portable design fits well in any home or workplace environment where high humidity is an issue. The humidity level can be set within a range of 35% to 85% relative humidity in 5% increments. When the set humidity level is reached, the compressor and fan will shut off, which makes our dehumidifier one of the quietest in the market. It is designed to conveniently restart when the room reaches within 10% of the desired humidity level. It can also resume the previous settings after a power outage. This dehumidifier offers multiple features such as comfort mode, which allows the unit to automatically control the room's humidity at a comfortable level, and continuous mode for uninterrupted operation regardless of humidity level. This dehumidifier is equipped with a 2-in-1 silver-coated washable pre-filter combo. The silver coating is designed to kill bacteria in the air. The main feature of these Whynter dehumidifiers is the internal condensate pump that can remove moisture out and up through the included 16.5-foot drain line with up to 15 feet of vertical lift. They are specifically designed for high-volume usage without having to worry about interrupted operation. Energy Star rated, the Whynter Elite dehumidifier provides energy-efficient operation without sacrificing design and performance. The Whynter Energy Star dehumidifiers with pump provide cost-effective and energy-efficient operation without sacrificing design and performance.
Sanitize the air in your home or office with the PureZone True HEPA Air Purifier from Pure Enrichment. This sleek and versatile air purification system complements any contemporary home or office while making the air more breathable and safe for your loved ones. Whisper quiet operation ensures PureZone operates silently in the background so you can peacefully work and relax. PureZone also features a sleep mode setting so that you can easily fall asleep without any indicator lights keeping you awake at night. The 3-in-1 air filter consists of a pre-filter, carbon filter, and HEPA filter that targets and captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, mold spores, and unwanted household odors as small as 0.3 microns. The powerful UVC light safely destroys microorganisms such as germs, viruses, bacteria, and fungi. PureZone provides a perfect solution for making the air more comfortable while incorporating industry-leading energy efficiency settings, including an automated timer and 3 speed settings to perfectly adapt to the size of any room. You'll rest easy knowing PureZone is backed by Pure Enrichment's extended 5-year warranty. The PureZone True HEPA Air Purifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today to live and work in the cleanest air possible. Keep the air in your home moisturized all day with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and aesthetically pleasing humidifier is packed with smart features that make it the perfect solution for improving the air quality in the dry areas of your home or office. Featuring a large 1-gallon water tank and adjustable steam knob, this humidifier is perfect for large areas such as workspaces, bedrooms, and other rooms up to 500 square feet. The ultrasonic cool mist technology safely moisturizes the air for up to 24 hours, allowing for more comfortable work areas and a perfect night's rest. Enjoy a comfortable environment with the included single and dual mist nozzles that dispense the exact amount of desired moisture and can be rotated 360 degrees. The automatic shutoff feature means you will never have to worry about low water levels again. Set the perfect mood and maximize your relaxation with an optional night light in blue, green, or red. This premium humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's extended 5-year warranty, so your satisfaction is guaranteed. the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Eva-Dry compact dehumidification products provide a natural defense against moisture, mold, and mildew, in addition to combating musty odors and reducing allergens throughout your home. Whether it is an expensive pair of leather shoes with unsightly mold growing on them that you just pulled out of the closet, or that musty smell under the kitchen sink, life can be full of mold and mildew. Eva-Dry dehumidifiers are a wonderful solution to life's musty problems. Not only are they non-toxic, they are renewable, eco-friendly, child and pet safe, and have many practical and safe uses around the home. With Eva-Dry dehumidifiers, there are no messy spills or cleanups, as can be the case with traditional calcium chloride bucket products on the market today. Inside are small, odorless, super absorbent silica gel crystals that pull excess moisture from the air. Once the crystals have absorbed their maximum moisture, the indicator window on the front of the unit turns pink to tell you that it is time to renew the system by drying it out. Simply plug the dehumidifier into a wall outlet in a well-ventilated area, and the renewing process will begin. After just a few hours, it will dry out and you can begin using your Eva-Dry again. This patented process has truly revolutionized dehumidification by using the latest technology to fight moisture and prevent mildew. You can expect to attain between 4 to 6 weeks of usage before the unit needs recharging. And when used under normal conditions, each unit will last up to 10 years. Eva-Dry. Damp in, dry out.